Today in this video we will see how to add story from gallery on Snapchat. Very easy and simple trick. Just open Snapchat and click on camera icon. Here you can see this option. Click on picture. Click on picture icon. Just scroll to left. Here you can see camera roll option. Click on camera roll option. Here you can see all your photo from gallery. Just select the picture you want to upload on Snapchat story. Just select this picture and click on send to. Click on my story. Just click on. You can easily upload your picture from gallery to Snapchat story. This is very amazing trick. Just go back to see your story. Open Snapchat. Click on profile icon. Here you can see. If you like this trick, share our video with friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye.